Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. Now then, on today's video we're going to be looking at this. It's a caravan camper stroke RV cleaning brush. It's very kindly been sent to the channel for review by a company called EAFC. I will leave a link in the description to where you can go and get this thing from. It retails at $19.99, so it's not very expensive. Now, I don't own an RV or a camper, but I know a man who does. Now, my dad is fortunately he's on holiday in the UK in his camper. He's turned up and we're going to give it a wash. But first of all, let's have a look at the contents of the box. Right, well, in the box we get 2 spare mop heads, and they basically affix to the head itself via this elastic cuff. We get the bag of bits, which I shall open now for you. Oh. We get the 2 poles, obviously a third cleaning mop head with the actual attachment. Now, you can lock this in place, I've noticed, with this little knob there. That makes it a little bit easier when you're using the brush. Come out of it, you monkey. We've got the actual handle itself. One portion extends. Undo them clips like that. And the other bit is the actual handle and affixes with that little clip there. So you can basically extend this whole thing. You push the, where is it, the mounting head on here. And there's your basic brush. I mean, there's nothing much to say apart from, you know, let's go and try the thing. Right then, got the brush, got an RV, let's try it. I'll try it in its non-extended form first, I think. Pop it in the water and try and do this one-handed, by the way. Well, it's definitely a brush. You can get right up to the top of this, my dad's camper. It seems to be doing exactly what it says on the tin, I must admit. Let's try it on one of the wheels, shall we? Right, well, I've actually got the brush extended now. So, oh, don't think it's we can get right onto the roof there. Not all the way across the roof, I would need some steps or something, but with the extended part out, it does make it a little bit easier to get right to the top. The extendable handles, nice and long, I must admit, so you can get right on top of the roof. Right then, that's the end result. Just washing it off now. Did a reasonable job actually, especially getting up top, obviously with its extendable handle, but it's not too shabby. Okay then, back inside, what do we think of EAFC's camper RV extendable cleaning brush? I'm going to say, well, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It did make the job of reaching the top of the camper a lot easier. I mean, the eagle-eyed amongst you might have noticed that we used a blue one. They actually sent me 2 to try. My dad was that impressed with it, he wandered off with the blue one, so we left with the black one. But it does exactly what it's supposed to. It's only 20 quid, it's not expensive, and it genuinely did make cleaning the roofline of the camper a damn sight easier. It couldn't get into all the tiny nooks and crannies because of obviously the size of the brush heads. I mean, you do get 3 as well. But to be honest, it did do a reasonable job, and it did make the job a little bit easier. So would I recommend it to you guys? Absolutely, it gets a thumbs up, and the price is absolutely bang on. As ever, there will be a link in the description to where you can get this brush from. If you found the video of some use and interest, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're feeling that way inclined, hit that subscribe button. It makes a huge difference to the channel. Once again, guys, catch you again very soon.